Hey everyone, and welcome back to CGI.Backgrounds. Today we'll be looking at the new 3D backgrounds and how they differ from the 3D scenes. Let's start by doing a simple search here, and I'm going to go up in the top left and click on 3D backgrounds. Now think of 3D backgrounds as enhanced backplates and 3D scenes as enhanced HDRIs. With 3D backgrounds, you can drop in your assets, but you're limited to that specific angle that you're seeing in that thumbnail. Now I'm going to be picking up this free scene, and as you can see in the thumbnails, unlike 3D scenes, I am limited to a specific camera angle. Now I can choose between two versions here, Maya or Unreal. In our case, we'll be using Unreal, and I'm going to select 5.4 and hit the download button. Once downloaded, I can open up the file, but before I just want to upgrade the version. So I'm going to right click, show more options, switch Unreal Engine versions. As of now, I am using 5.5. This is the method if you are using a later version of Unreal. Simply double click on the U project and wait for the shaders to compile. All right, and this is what we get once you launch the project. You open up the default map here, and we have some 3D foreground and background. So if I switch to lit wireframe, we can actually see what's going on a little bit better here. So really think of it as an enhanced backplate here. The reason I say this is because I'm looking at this specific angle, but if I start moving, we are missing that complete 360 sphere, which would be more of a 3D scene, which is also available on the website. Now let's switch to my camera view, and this camera has been set and pre-aligned accurately by CGI.Backgrounds. I'm going to be loading my car, which I've loaded in the sub-level here. And I'm just going to grab the car and start moving it a little closer. And just like that, I have a nice render. I didn't have to do any perspective matching at all because this is a 3D background, right? So with the Ray HDR doing its job, I have accurate lighting, accurate shadows. There is no extra lighting needed. It's literally just a drag and drop. Now I'm going to go full screen and play a little bit with the camera. Now remember, we are limited in the camera frustum here, but we are gaining so much time not having to draw any lines, to do any perspective matching, to match your 3D assets with the 2D image that we traditionally do. With this 3D background, this allows you to skip all those steps. Completely free, and you can move the car as much as you want or rotate it as much as you want, as long as you're keeping within that camera frustum. We're looking forward to see some of your amazing creations using CGI.Backgrounds 3D scenes and 3D backgrounds. Thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon.